Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Purvi. How are you, beta?
Ma'am, I'm good. How
Good.
are you?
I am also good. Good to see you attending classes. Chalo. Very good. Others have also joined. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good
ma'am.
ma'am.
morning.
Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you all have given your attendance on the group as well.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good.
Good
Very
morning, ma'am.
Good
good.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Taran.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Khyati. Okay, so we have 20 participants in the class right
Good
now.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishi. What are we going to do in geography today?
Ma'am, chapter number 4.
Second
Chapter 2.
chapter, physical features of India.
Huh. Yesterday, I think some thing we started.
Yes, ma'am. You made the flow chart.
Okay, I made you do that flow chart. So can you tell how much we have done in the flow chart?
Ma'am, we wrote till rivers, ma'am, of the states.
Okay, the mountainous region we did, no, right? Himalayan
Ma'am,
region.
Himalayan.
Himalayan. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Ma'am, under
ma'am.
the regional division till Purvanchal.
Huh. The regional division till Purvanchal of Himalayan region, right?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Yes, Vyom.
Ma'am, we
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
your geography.
Beta, this is geography period.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do geography. Let everybody join. Students are still joining. Give me a minute, huh? Can you see the
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
fine? बेटा ये सुमन निगम प्रिंसिपल कौन है?
Ma'am, she is Arushi.
ओके, तो ये प्रिंसिपल क्यों लिखा हुआ है इन्होंने अपने आगे? ओके फाइन, होते हैं.
Ma'am, our mother would be principal.
Maybe you are right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning बच्चे.
Ma'am, you were taking the class of 8. You were taking class 8.
I am taking class 8th मतलब?
Good morning, ma'am. You were having a lecture with class 8 in the morning, ma'am.
Previously I had a lecture with class 8.
Ma'am, because these topics we learned in class 8.
Exactly. We did them in class 8. Very good.
Ma'am, I thought that we have to write this in the notebook.
No.
Ma'am, you connected with two devices, ma'am.
Actually, beta, to show the video, this thing, no, for the board part.
Okay, ma'am.
I need to join again.
Ma'am, actually the thing that you are speaking, ma'am, that it is echoing, ma'am.
And now it will not echo, don't worry. I also realized this. That is it is echoing. Now is it echoing?
No,
No.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am, but some phone is ringing, ma'am.
That is alarm of the landline. I need to switch it off. Wait a second. हाँ जी. Today, though, I think I need to take your attendance because many are there in the class. I will not be able to remember your names. Huh? So quickly your attendance, class. Physical features of India, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Be ready with your notebooks. After taking attendance, we'll be continuing with the flowcharts only, okay? See the list that I had earlier of C section. I'll be taking attendance on that only. You just need to tell me the ones who have taken new admission, okay? The names of the newcomers. They will tell on their own. Okay, Ahana is there in the class today?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Ahana present, Aradhya present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we have Arush Jaiswal,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishri. Akshita has taken TC, right? So in place of Akshita, I am writing Arushi.
Yes, ma'am, Arushi Nigam.
Arushi Nigam, okay. ठीक है, you are present. Anshika Gangwar is not there. Anshika Yadav. Anvesha.
Present, ma'am.
Anvesha.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Arshit.
ma'am.
Okay, Arshit.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Asjad. Sorry, Aryan Gangwar. Aryan is not there in the class today. Asjad. Atharv Verma.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Atharv is not there. Avantika. Avantika, are you there?
Ma'am, did you took my name?
Beta Avantika, are you there?
Ma'am, drill to Arihant Nigam.
Okay, Arihant Nigam I have not called. So Arihant Nigam. Arihant, can you tell me your SR number?
Actually, I don't remember, ma'am. I am
Okay. Arushi, do you know your SR number? Let it be. Avantika Saxena not there. Ayushi Nimesh. Beta, is Ayushi taking the classes? Nobody knows. Bhavya Khandelwal is also not there. Gurleen Kaur, not there. Harshit Oberoi, Ishi Agarwal, जय
मैम
कनौजिया.
हर्षित ओबरॉय प्रेजेंट. मैम
हाँ,
हर्षित
हर्षित.
ओबरॉय प्रेजेंट.
Okay, okay. Jay
Yes,
Kanodia.
ma'am.
Divyansh. Gurleen is there? No, Ishi is there.
Ma'am, she.
हाँ. Kartike.
Present,
Kya-
ma'am.
Khyati.
Ma'am, Divyansh Arora present.
Yes, beta. Divyansh Arora present. Kinjal Agarwal.
I'm present.
Present.
Okay. Mihika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Paurush Daksh.
Ma'am, present.
Okay. Purvi is also there. Saksham
Yes,
Sharma.
ma'am.
Saksham Sharma.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Shagun Mittal.
Present, ma'am.
Shambhavi Triwari.
Present, ma'am.
Shashank Navodit. Shashank is not there. Shivansh Pal is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, yes, Abhishri, I have marked you present. Don't worry. Fine. Then we have Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Taran, Utkarsh Gangwar.
Taran is present.
Taran is present.
Ma'am, Utkarsh. Ma'am,
Utkarsh
Utkarsh
is
is
present.
present.
Vishesh Raghuvanshi,
I'm present.
Vyom Saxena,
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma, Yashika.
मैम यशिका सक्सेना प्रेजेंट.
हाँ बेटा, अब ये बताइए न्यू एडमिशंस जिनका हमने नाम नहीं लिखा है. अरिहंत का हमने लिख लिया है. अरिहंत, व्हाट इज योर फुल नेम?
Ma'am, Arihant Nigam.
अरिहंत निगम.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you Arushi's brother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both are twins?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. I thought you both are twins. No issues.
Ma'am, I know my SR number.
You know your SR number, please tell.
Ma'am, 3475.
3475. So his must be
Ma'am,
three-
ma'am, 3474. 3474.
Okay, that's so good. Then we have Prakhar, right? Prakhar Kumar
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
है. हाँ जी. बेटा
Present,
प्रखर.
ma'am.
हाँ, good morning.
Good morning,
Prakhar
ma'am.
Kumar. बेटा, do you know your SR number?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
I'm 3519.
ठीक है. Any other new admission in the class if I have not taken the name?
मैम हिमांशु सिंह.
हिमांशु सिंह. हाँ जी बेटा.
Pradyuman.
मैम प्रशस्ति
एक मिनट. हिमांशु,
सिंह.
Pradyuman Kumar.
do you know your SR number, Himanshu?
नो मैम.
Okay. Who is next?
मैम प्रशस्ति.
प्रशस्ति. Okay. ये श्रेय गुप्ता ने टीसी ले ली है क्या?
No, ma'am, he has attended the last class.
Okay, then it is fine. प्रशस्ति. PRA. बेटा, ये अग्रिम वर्मा भी अपनी क्लास में ही है क्या? प्रशस्ति. Where is Prashasti? I can't see her. PRASHASTI. Prashasti, what is your surname, beta?
मैम ओनली प्रशस्ति.
Okay, only Prashasti. Do you know your SR number?
यस मैम 3532.
3532. Then who is the next one? Agrim Verma.
Ma'am, Pradyuman Kumar.
एक मिनट. प्रद्युमन अभी देखते हैं. अग्रिम वर्मा. बेटा अग्रिम वर्मा, आर यू देयर? बेटा ये अग्रिम कौन है? बेटा अग्रिम. बेटा अग्रिम वर्मा है कि कोई और है ये? अग्रिम, I will remove you if you will not respond. बेटा ये अग्रिम कौन है?
मैम अग्रिम भैया इज इन सीनियर क्लास।
नहीं, अग्रिम वर्मा बेटा, वो तो अग्रिम वशिष्ठ है, कोई नहीं है। अभी किसने बोला था अपना नाम?
मैम मैंने।
प्रखर कुमार।
नहीं मैम, प्रद्युमन कुमार।
इसमें तो प्रखर कुमार लिखा हुआ आ रहा है।
मैम दे
मैम वो
बोथ आर
मेरा।
ब्रदर्स.
ओके, प्रखर एंड प्रद्युमन।
यस मैम।
PRADUMAN, right?
यस मैम।
Do you know your SR number?
यस मैम।
Tell.
मैम 3520।
3520. Okay, that's very nice. ये अग्रिम वर्मा भी कोई है? चलो ठीक है, I'll check. Any other new admission in the class that I have not written? चलिए, so we'll do the okay. Fine. ऐसा करते हैं बेटा, हमने कल आपको फ्लो चार्ट लिखवाया हिमालयन रीजन का, so let us do one thing, let us read the Himalayan region today. Okay, that way I feel it will be better. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? चलो ठीक है. You have your books with you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, Taran. Read. That's really good.
Ma'am.
So prompt of you. Read.
The Himalayan mountains. The Himalayas, geologically young and structurally fold mountains, stretch over the northern borders of India. These mountain ranges run in the west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. The Himalayas represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. They form an arc which covers a distance of about 2,400 kilometers. Their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lie between these ranges. The northernmost range is known as the Great or the Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. It is
Okay,
the most conscious range.
Taran, wait. You need to underline. The northernmost range is known as the Great or the Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. There are three names given to the northernmost range of the Himalayas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Carry on.
Okay, ma'am. It is one of the most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks with an average height of 6,000 meters. It contains all prominent Himalayan peaks. The
Which
folds of the
number
Great
may
Himalaya.
Wait. Now the question comes, which range of the Himalayas contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks?
Himadri.
Himadri?
Himadri.
Yes. Then what, Aradhe, what is the other name of Himadri range?
Ma'am, the Inner Himalayas.
Very good.
Ma'am,
What is
the Great
other
Himalayas?
name? Okay, Shagun, are you there? Shagun? See, those who will not be responding in the
Yes,
class,
ma'am.
I'll remove them from the meeting immediately if you will not respond in one call. Shagun, what is the northernmost range known as? What is the northernmost range known as? Can you hear me, Shagun?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Parush?
Ma'am, it's Karakoram range.
No?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
may I
Yes,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Shivansh.
May I tell?
Arushi.
Ma'am, the Great or the Inner Himalayas?
It is the Great or the Inner Himalayas or the Himadri, right? This is which Prachi?
Okay, ma'am.
This is which Prachi? Prachi Sharma? बेटा आप कौन से वाले प्राची हो बच्चे? प्राची शर्मा की प्राची गंगवार? ओके गंगवार. आपका सरनेम बताओ बच्चे, वो एसआर नंबर बताओ. Two 580. Okay. We have Samriddhi also in the class, no? Samriddhi Shukla. We have Samriddhi Shukla also in the class. Do you know children?
Ma'am, she is not
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
meeting.
No, means maybe she's not attending the class. Otherwise, she's there in 9C only. No?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other child of the other two sections in your class, other than Prachi Gangwar and Samriddhi Shukla?
Ma'am, Samriddhi in our section only.
Okay, only these two are there. Fine.
Ma'am, who is Deepak Sharma?
कहाँ पे? आपके
Yes,
class
ma'am.
Ma'am, in participants.
in participants दीपक शर्मा है कोई? Who is Deepak बेटा? Who is this Deepak?
Ma'am, I think he has left the meeting.
अरे अब ये कौन थे जो
Yes, ma'am.
एक्चुअली जब ख्याति ज्वाइन कर रही थी तो ख्याति या किंजल में से कोई दो डिवाइसेस से कनेक्ट हुए थे. चलिए लीव इट. ओके. इफ आई आस्क यू which are the loftiest and the most rugged mountain barriers of the world?
Himalayan mountain.
Himadri range of Himalayan mountain.
Yes, the Himalayas are the loftiest and the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. Okay, very good. Chaliye, carry on. See, why I am asking you these questions, just to tell you that you may get a question anywhere from the lines that are there in your book. Fine?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
मूव ऑन तरन. अच्छा चलो तरन अब आप रहने दो. लेट्स चलो ठीक है. ahana then Prashasti. Okay, after
Yes,
Ahana, Prashasti. Yes.
The folds of the Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature. The core of this part of Himalayas is composed of granite. It is perennially snowbound and
Is a perennial.
perennially snowbound, and a number of glaciers descend from this range.
Okay,
The
but
range lying to the
wait, Ahana, bache, wait. What does this mean? Perennially snowbound? Throughout the year. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Throughout the year, they are snow covered. And because of this, the rivers that originate from the Himalayas, they are also called as the perennial rivers, right? Which never dry up. Even in summers also, they have water in them, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, continue, beta Ahana.
Yes, ma'am. The range lying to the south of the Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meters, and the average width is 50 kilometers. While the Pir Panjal range forms the longest.
Pir Panjal
Form-
range.
Pir Panjal range forms the longest and the most important range. The Dhauladhar and the Mahabharat ranges are also prominent ones. This range consists of the famous valley of Kashmir, the Kangra, and the Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. This region is well known for its hill stations.
Okay,
The
now
outermost
wait, Ahana. Jivyansh, question is for you. Which region?
Yes, ma'am.
Which region is well known for its hill stations?
Ma'am, Kullu Valley.
Beta,
In
the
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal range. Okay, the Himachal range is known for its hill stations. Okay, name the famous valleys of Kashmir. Sorry, name the famous valleys of Himachal range?
Ma'am, Kullu Valley. Kangra and Kullu Valley.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Kangra, Kullu and Kashmir. Yes. Kangra, Kullu and Kashmir, right? Which is the longest? Which is the longest range of the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas?
Ma'am, Pir Panjal.
Pir Panjal. Yes.
Ma'am, Pir Panjal.
Pir Panjal. It is Pir Panjal. Very good. Very good. Very good. Then name the mountain ranges lying to the south of the Himadri. Saksham.
Himachal or Ma'am, Lesser
Ma'am,
Himachal.
lesser
Himachal.
Himalayas.
It is Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. Yes, Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. Very good. Very good. Okay, next. Prashasti,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
The outermost range of the Himalayas is called the Shivaliks. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 kilometers and have an altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters. These ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers from the main Himalayan ranges located farther north. These valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvium. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. Dehradun, Kotli Dun,
Beta, the
Dunes.
longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. Right?
Yes.
Carry.
Dehradun, Kotli Dun, and Patli Dun are some of the well-known dunes.
Fine.
Besides the longitudinal divisions, the Himalayas have been divided on the basis of regions from west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. For example, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon rivers.
Kumaon Himalayas.
Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Teesta rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Teesta and Dihang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. There are regional names also in these broad categories. Find out some regional names of the Himalayas.
Okay.
The Brahmaputra.
Wait, Prashasti. Wait, bacha. Anything in this not understood or clear?
Yeah.
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Khyati.
Can you tell again what is the meaning of Lesser Himalayas?
What you want to know about Lesser Himalayas? Fine. Let us do it here. Okay. Give me a minute. I'll explain it on the board to you people. That way it will be easier for you to understand. See, when we talk of the Himalayan range, I think it is clear. Board is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this Himalayan range is divided into three parts as per the longitude, right? First we have the Great Himalayas, Great Inner, or the
Himadri.
Himadri. Very good.
Do we have to write this?
No. It is just to make you understand, right? See, Himalayan ranges are divided into three parts: Himadri, or Greater, or the Inner Himalayas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this Himadri range that we have, all the hill stations are found in these Himadri range, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, hill stations are not in the Himadri region, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm in Himachal.
It is in Himachal. You people are not telling also.
Ma'am,
I was
Himadri
also
has
confused.
peaks.
Himadri has all the peaks, right? All the peaks that are there, they are there in the Himadri region of the Himalayan range, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to the second division of the Himalayan range, we have the Himachal
Yes, ma'am.
or the lesser Himalayas, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
then when we talk of the Himachal or the lesser Himalayas, we also know that all the hill stations, they comprise all the hill stations that are there in the Himachal range. All the hill stations are there in the Himachal range, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the important ranges of this Himachal range are Pir Panjal and Pir Panjal, Dhaula, Dhar, and the Mahabharata range, right? These are the three important ranges that are found in the Himachal range of the Himalayas. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ye mota mota I am telling you so that you remember that Himadri has all the highest peaks in it. Himachal has all the hill stations in it. And then when we talk of the Shivalik ranges, the Shivalik ranges, what do they have? बेटा शिवालिक रेंजेस में क्या होते हैं? Dunes. Yes. All the dunes are there in the Shivalik range, and Shivalik range is the outermost range of the Himalayas. It is the outermost, yes, outermost range of the Himalayas, which has all the dunes in it. आप चाहे देहरादून ले लो, चाहे कोटली दून ले लो, या फिर
Partly done.
yes,
Partly dune.
Then dunes are between Shivalik and Himachal or in Shivalik.
they are exclusively between the Shivaliks and the between the lesser and the Shivalik range, between these two.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो, this is what we say the longitudinal division of the Himalayas, right? Right?
Ma'am, I cannot see the lower part of the board.
Just a second, let me adjust.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Now it is visible. Just a second. Can you see now? Is it visible now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. So when we talk of the longitudinal division of the Himalayan range, we are basically talking about the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas or the Inner Himalayas, which has all the loftiest peaks in it. Then when we talk of the Himachal range of the Himalayas, we are actually talking about the Lesser Himalayas, which has all the important hill stations in it. चाहे वो कश्मीर हो, चाहे वो कांगड़ा हो, चाहे वो कुल्लू वैली हो, ठीक है? Then the ranges that are found in the Himachal range are the Pir Panjal, Dhaula Dhor and Mahabharata ranges, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
when we talk of the outermost range of the Himalayas, we are actually talking about the Shivaliks, which has all the dunes in it. चाहे वो देहरादून हुआ, चाहे वो कोटली दून हुआ, चाहे वो पाटली दून हुआ, ठीक? तो ये था आपका longitudinal division of the Himalayas. I hope this is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the रीजनल डिवीजन ऑफ द हिमालयाज. अब रीजनल डिवीजन हमारा कितने पार्ट्स में है इसका? इनटू 5 पार्ट्स. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स?
5 parts.
हाँ,
5 parts.
कैन यू नेम देम सो दैट आई कैन राइट ओवर हियर? See the regional division. Now, which is the first regional division of the Himalayan range? Class?
Punjab.
Punjab.
It is the Punjab region. Very good. Then
Kumaon.
Ma'am,
the Kumaon region. Then
Nepal.
Nepal.
Ma'am, Nepal.
very good.
Nepal.
Then
Nepal.
Assam.
Ma'am, Assam.
and then
Assam.
it is the
Purvanchal.
Purvanchal. Very good.
Ma'am, Purvanchal.
Now, when we talk of the Punjab, basically the rivers that comprises this Punjab region are Satluj and
Indus.
Ma'am,
Indus.
Hanji. Satluj and Indus.
Ma'am, Jhelum is in Pakistan, ma'am, or in Punjab, ma'am?
बेटा झेलम जम्मू में है.
Okay, ma'am.
नहीं, झेलम हाँ कश्मीर जम्मू में तो वो है ना.
Ma'am, it is a
झेलम.
tributary of
हाँ
Indus.
ट्रिब्यूट. हाँ ठीक है. झेलम आपकी पंजाब उसमें है, कश्मीर में, जम्मू में, जम्मू. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
कुमायूं रीजन में कौन सी आती हैं?
Satluj and Kali.
Satluj and Kali.
हाँ, it is Satluj and Kali. Then in Nepal we have Kali and
Teesta.
Teesta.
Tista.
Tista.
In Assam we have
Tista and Dihang.
Teesta and Dihang.
Dihang.
Tista and
Dihang.
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 हाँ, Tista and Dihang. Right? And Purvachal range that we have, it has all the major hills which are there. Right? चाहे वो आपकी खासी हो, मीजो हिल्स हो. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Ma'am, I do not have Brahmaputra.
नहीं बेटा, ब्रह्मपुत्र आपका पूर्वांचल में नहीं जाता है ना. वो तो आपका असम में आके असम से नीचे सीधा बांग्लादेश चले जाती है ना. पटकाई हिल्स, नागा हिल्स, मणिपुर हिल्स, मिजो हिल्स, दे आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द पूर्वांचल. ठीक है. मिजो हिल्स, पटकाई, देन मिजो, पटकाई, और कौन सा बोला था हमने? मिजो, पटकाई, मणिपुर
Ma'am, Manipur.
Ma'am, Naga Hills.
एंड नागा.
Naga Hills.
हाँ जी. ये सारे जितने भी हिल्स हैं, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ द पूर्वांचल रेंज. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Do we need to read this again, or is it understood?
Ma'am, we have to draw
Ma'am,
this in notebook.
This already you have drawn, beta. Yesterday I gave it to you. Yesterday I have already given this to you. Only the Mizo Hills, Patkai Hills, and Manipur Hills and Naga Hills I did not give you, I believe. Rest everything we have done yesterday only. It is just a recapitulation so that it is, there that the Himalayan ranges are divided on the basis of longitude and the regional basis. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class? Fine. Yes. Next. Who was reading? Prashasti was reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, beta. Prashasti, continue. You read again from the Brahmaputra marks, the second last paragraph.
The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. They are known as the Purvachal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. These hills running through the northeastern states are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks. Covered with dense forests, they mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. The Purvachal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills.
Right. This was all about the Himalayan range. I hope it is now all clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything not clear or